Hello and welcome to another TMR Tours. My name is Stacy and today we are talking about affordable resorts at Walt Disney World. So if you think this information is helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell for notifications. First off, we're going to start at All-Star Sports. It's one of our value resorts here on property and it is sports themed. The lobby decor features a lot of athletes, as well as there is a gift shop where you can get all of your basic park needs. All-Star Resorts feature a cafeteria style like counter service right in the main hub building. There are different wings here, and each wing has a different sports theme. So from basketball to football, even to baseball, there's a sport for everybody. What makes these resorts such a great value is that you can usually book them for around $100 a night. Next up is All-Star Music, and of course, just like sports, this one is music themed. Similarly, it also has a common eatery, and all the resorts have ample seating both indoor and out. Maestro Mickey's is their gift shop. Make sure to stop in and see if they have any exclusive All-Star Resorts merchandise. Another amazing feature of the All-Star Resorts is their huge arcades. So whether you like jazz, country western, 50s, or Broadway musicals, you're going to want to come and check out this resort. Last up for the All-Star Resorts is All-Star Movies. Similarly to the others, it's movie themed, has a gift shop, a food court, and their pool features Fantasia. The Toy Story section is a fan favorite, and it's newly refurbished. If you want to see those rooms, check out our TMR tour. Now let's head over to the Art of Animation Resort. This is still a value level resort, but it does tend to be higher priced most of the year, so you might want to book during low season to get your best value. It's animation themed, and the gift shop has some really great ink and paint references to the old style of animation. And they have a huge candy and snack selection if you're looking to unload some of those dining credits. Their cafeteria is huge, just like the other resorts, and there's tons of photo opportunities here with some of your favorite well-known characters. The other end of the resort even has its own mini Cars Land, so head on over and say hello to Tow Mater for me. Heading over to Pop Century. This is TMR's favorite value resort because it's all pop culture themed. Going through the decades from the 1950s to the early millennium, I'm sure you'll see some popular pop culture icons here. Like the other resorts, it also has a grand cafeteria and a main feature pool. Even if you're here to build new memories, there are plenty of things here to stir up stories from your past. Be on the lookout for characters from decades past and even some retro technology. That's TMR Tour's look at value resorts. If you want an affordable stay at Disney, you might want to check out one of these resorts. Thanks for joining us on this TMR Tour. Feel free to leave comments below with the things that you want to learn more about.
For more Disney facts and our blog, check out TMR Tours over on Facebook. See you on another adventure from around the world.
Congaloosh.